Every premium horn comb begins with thousands of carefully collected water buffalo horns arriving at the factory. After unloading, every buffalo horn is thoroughly washed using powerful husher water and rotating industrial brushes and impurities before the manufacturing process begins. The cleaned buffalo horns enter high-pressure steam chambers. Controlled heat and moisture soften the natural keratin, making the horns flexible.
Inside each softened horn, a precision rotating tool loosens the natural core from the outer shell. This controlled process prepares the horn for
Powerful hydraulic equipment removes the loosened horn core in a single controlled motion. The hollow horn shell is now ready for precision cutting. Each hollow horn is precisely split along its full length. This creates two workable horn sections that will be reheated and flattened into smooth sheets Before flattening, every split buffalo horn is reheated under carefully controlled infrared heat. This softens the keratin once again, allowing the horn to be shaped smoothly without cracks. While still warm and flexible, each buffalo horn passes through multiple hydraulic presses. Controlled heat and enormous pressure gradually to preserve its new shape. Each flattened horn sheet is cooled under constant pressure, a flat form, ensuring dimensional stability before precision machining begins. Both sides of every sheet are precision ground using industrial diamond wheels. This process removes tiny surface imperfections and After surface grinding, every horn sheet is scanned and precisely trimmed. Automated diamond cutting systems remove the uneven natural edges, producing Before cutting begins, every horn sheet is scanned by industrial vision cameras, the CNC system. The CNC system analyzes the natural grain and business. With the horn sheet aligned, the CNC machine cuts the shape with a micro-diamond tool. This preserves its natural beauty. Before the comb teeth are cut, every comb blade is accurately indexed using laser-guided positioning. Microscopic guide marks using multiple ultra-thin diamond blades, each comb tooth is cut with exceptional precision. The automated system follows every guide mark exactly, producing. After the teeth are cut, every edge is rounded. Precision tools remove sharp corners for a smooth finish. This allows the comb to glide comfortably. Although machines complete most of the process, skilled craftsmen perform the final hand finishing. This ensures each comb meets the highest standards before moving to the final stages. Each comb receives a final deep cleaning. Natural conditioning oil enhances the horn's beauty. Gentle mirror buffing reveals the unique natural grain. Every finished buffalo horn comb undergoes one final inspection and precision laser measurements, protective premium packaging to customers around the world. After final approval, the premium buffalo horn combs are packed into export cartons, palletized by industrial robots, and prepared for international shipping. From carefully selected buffalo horns to precision manufacturing, every step is completed. Comb combines natural beauty before reaching customers around the world.